Welcome back, you boys, girls, men, women, and anything in between.
We're fixing the truck again.
We are again. Again, this is the Lucero and Sons YouTube channel, last known as the last known as the Diesel Lifestyle, like that one, but don't have enough time to get diesel stuff going all the time. And first part was Lucero Lifestyle, which is it still was a pretty good one, but I like the whole idea with Sons because it's fun to watch them grow up on film, and I enjoy doing it. I did a tutorial already on how to fix how to do brakes on a 06, pretty much like not a Power Stroke per se, but a Super Duty model truck. This one's a 3/4 ton. I'm gonna have to do the other side. I did the rear side kind of by myself with a friend who kind of showed me the ropes, and then I wanted extra practice, so I'm like, hey, I'm gonna do driver's side and then put it away, do it all, and then a couple weeks later do the passenger side. More for practice, more than practicality, because it's kind of a waste of time to get everything done, or to do it, separately. So that's what we're gonna do, and then the big thing is that next week after Thanksgiving, right, Luke, on Saturday.
It's Christmas, and then I'm gonna celebrate Christmas, and then in Christmas I'm gonna be the teacher's helper at school.
Oh, cool, yeah. Also, what we're gonna do is hopefully, I think Courtney's gonna be learning how to make tamales. Like her grandma, and the boys and I are gonna go to the snow, get to the closest route to the snow, maybe 2 hours. Hopefully it's less than that, but may not be. So I want to make sure the old rig is ready to go for its departure. So we'll get new pads, new rotors. Not really going to take you through too much of it, because if you look at my 2 videos ago, I kind of explained how everything works.
Kids videos.
Yeah. And then that's it. So we'll get after it. Hope you enjoy the show. Okay, I'm not gonna belabor the point. Doing the brakes, this to me is always the hardest part, is getting the brake caliper.
I'm so upset.
Oh boy, he's upset. The brake, I don't even know what that is. Brake.
Garbage in it.
Calibrate. No, this is a caliper. Brake. I can't even think of it, but this part. It just. There's a plunger and a piston that's going this way, so it's pushing the pads against the rotor, and makes it hard to get off. So I know there's a way to kind of get in there and push and pry. I just don't want to do any damage, so I just end up just kind of wiggling it, and over time and swearing and frustration, it starts to go. So that's what we're gonna do. Another thing last time is I just put some penetrating oil on these things, and I think sometimes between the caliper bracket, that's what it is, caliper bracket, they stick to the pad, so I could probably do that. It kind of makes a mess a little bit, so I'm gonna try not to
make a mess.
Something different. But second time go around, or third time go around of changing brakes, I still think this is easier. Kind of know what I'm doing now. And so I wasn't able to get what I wanted to, so I'm gonna get a little penetrating oil there, a little penetrating oil there.
It smells good.
Does it?
Yeah.
Gross, a little bit.
It smells
right there.
like your camera showed you.
If I could get this part, this thing would be a cakewalk. I could do this so fast. All right.
Help Dada. Help Dada.
Dada's got it. Don't worry.
Help Dada.
I got it.
I don't know if you.
Rule number 1 when working with kids. Well, number 2 actually. The first rule is remain patient at all times, which I'm perfect at. I do that all the time.
Ow.
Never, ever do I lose my cool. But the second rule is when you're working with kids is make sure all tools are put somewhere where this guy can't get it because the last thing you want is
I can't get it.
complications of what you're doing, and then you can't find the things that fix it.
Yeah, because
Right?
when the
He knows best.
you guys, look at that what my dad's doing.
Oh, can I have that pipe?
He's doing this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's
Mm.
look at this. Ow! What? So, let's get a clap for Dad.
Yay!
Dad, my dad did a great job. He is so brave, and I
Yeah.
love that. Love.
Maybe it's better.
love
Is that a flashlight on my head?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Wait, what flashlight?
Not a good look. Anyway, hold on. Soon. So basically, no, we still have something to do. But I tell you, just as an aside, don't be afraid of doing things because
Yeah.
I was kind of afraid to do this.
You are.
And now the third time I've done it, I feel like this is actually
and then
pretty
you
simple.
were so brave.
So,
and I love.
Caliber
love
brackets
that.
off.
Yeah.
Right? A bracket, yeah.
Like offered.
And yeah, don't do that. So we're gonna put new put new Oh, I'm not searching for words today.
Do you call me the Skibala?
Put a new rotor on, put the pads on, button it all up, and then we'll get to it and be done. And be ready for our snow trip. Our snow trip.
What's that called? What are you doing, Mama?
What was that, Luke?
What was wrong with this truck?
Oh, nothing. The brakes probably didn't even need to be replaced, but
Why? Because brakes.
listen. But hold on, I get to do this, and then I get to show you that you can do it too. And then when you get older, I'll show you.
I don't have like that. I don't have that.
Well, all these tools are yours too.
So which should
Okay.
which winter should I have?
Can you see? Yes, you can see me. 160 foot-pounds, which my cheap torque wrench barely goes to. But anyway, snug the crap
I
out of
don't
it.
have a pointer.
What's up, pal?
I don't have. Guys,
Okay, we're gonna take the old one to figure out how to put the new one in.
but
So-
the nail is too long.
You go like that.
What about?
Levi, that sounds terrible.
Yeah, you so stupid.
It sounds so bad.
Ow.
And they put a whole bunch of different kinds in here too, so it's like, I don't know. Hey, turn that light on, please.
No.
Levi, did you hear what I said?
I will go inside.
Please turn that light on.
I will go inside.
I think that's how it goes. Like that.
Maybe,
It's so much better when
guys,
you did it.
remember we're doing
You know, it's like when you have done something more than once and then you go to do it, it's so nice when you,
when you fix this truck.
yeah, but kind of like when you're just not having to like stress about it because
Maybe you're like tired and then
you kind of
just
know how to do it
don't.
already.
Yeah, my dad
Right?
does.
Let's see
My
what-
dad knows how to do this.
Yeah,
This fan is so working.
there we go, like that. And then this goes right here.
Yep, right there.
Okay.
Stop.
One goes
And
in.
go,
Let's see
go.
what we can do. Last time it's ain't always easy. There
Yep,
it
yep.
goes. And then last part, you're gonna need a C clamp. Oh, and an old brake because that'll push the piston down. Pretty sure you can see it, but C clamps on. That's an old pad, so it's gonna push the piston right there in. There's two pistons, and basically you just do it until the piston bottoms out, and then we'll throw the caliber on. 2, 3, go.
So, have fun, everyone. Thank you for watching the video, and welcome. For this next question, I'm gonna say this question. Maybe
I think what she
if you
means.
see the baby,
Hold on, I think what he means. Watch out! Oh gosh!
it means
Is that we're getting ready to put stuff away, right, Luke?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put the wheel on,
I'll put the wheel on. Ah.
and then. Oh, wait.
We have. I know.
And then we're done. Okay, we are all done. And I lost my entourage. I had my 2 boys with me, but they left. And now I'm just making sure that my brakes feel good. They're a little squeaky, but a little test drive. Make sure everything's alright. It feels a little weird right now. Anyway, that's it for the show. Again, this is all to prepping for next week and take my boys to the snow. Just a quick trip. And then, so anyway, that's our next video up next. So thanks for watching. Spend time with your family. It goes quick. Teach them how to do things. And we'll see you next time.